Here are some iPhone battery tips and tricks to make it last longer. Grab your phone. Tap on Settings, scroll down, and then tap on Battery. From here, tap on Battery Health and Charging. And from here, maximum capacity, I'm at 85%. Anything over 80% is considered good. Even if you're under that, these tips will still help. Turn on Optimize Battery Charging. It's going to reduce battery aging and help your battery last longer. One thing that will help your battery life is to turn widgets off on your home screen. Just touch the bottom of your home screen, and from here you can customize it and remove widgets. That will help save battery life. Next, tap on Settings. From here, tap on Sounds and Haptics. And from here, scroll down, tap on Keyboard Feedback. If you have haptic turned on here, it will actually drain your battery life even more. I recommend you turn this one off.